It didn't fly, it ran. Faster than a human. Taller than a man. With a beak built to smash bone. Welcome to the world of the terror birds. For millions of years, these colossal creatures were the apex predators of South America. Imagine a bird standing over 10 feet tall, weighing hundreds of pounds, with a head the size of a horse's and a massive hooked beak. They didn't chase prey, they executed it. One powerful downward strike could shatter bone and end a life instantly. No escape. These weren't just birds. They were feathered nightmares, the undisputed kings of their domain. A terrifying testament to nature's power. If you're fascinated by prehistoric giants like this, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the monsters of the past. Thanks for watching.